Guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using the PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 10 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So here we have one bracket, which is this one. But inside the bracket, we have two two options. Like one is multiplication, and other one is we have a number which has the power. So according to the rules, first we have to solve the bracket, or if we have multiple operation inside the bracket, so we have to solve the order of operation or exponent part. So this number has a power, so we have to solve this one first before multiplication with this. So we will write like raised to power 2, which is equals to 4 multiplied by 10. We will write here as it is, and divided by 20 and divided by 2 multiplied by 10. Again, we have to write as it. And here we have to give the reference so that you can understand like each how we have to solve this expression. So here we have 2 raised to power 2, which is equals to. Now we have solved the exponent part in this expression. Now move forward for solve the bracket, which is 4 multiplied by 10. Now we have to solve this one. So 4 multiplied by 10, which is equals to 14. Again, we have to divide 20 divided by 2 multiplied by 10. Again, we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 multiplied by 10 equals to 40. Now move forward. We have solved bracket, or inside the bracket we have solved all operations. Now we have to solve the exponent part if it is coming in this expression. So now we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward for division and multiplication, or multiplication and division. Now this is the step. Here we can go in two different way and we get the two different answers. But the rule is same for both option, like BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. If you are using the PAMDAS, so you cannot say I will solve the multiplication first. And if you are using the BODMAS, you will say I will solve first the or division. No, rule is same. We have to go left to right in this expression and find out first which is coming first. So in this expression, we have 40 divided by 20, which is equal to 2. And again, we have to write divided by 2 multiplied by 10. We have to write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 40 divided by 20 equals to. Now again, we have to left right in this expression and find out which is coming first. Divided by 2, which is 1 multiplied by 10. And here we have to give reference 22 divided by 2 equals to 1. Now, we have here two terms which are multiplying each other. So, we will multiply these two terms and get the answer is 10. So, the answer of the given expression is 10. If you see, the answer C is the correct answer of this expression. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.